In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage your payment settings on Shopify effectively. Whether you're just starting with Shopify or looking to fine-tune your store's financial settings, this guide will walk you through the essential steps, making sure your online store runs smoothly and processes payments efficiently. To start, your first action is to navigate to Shopify. Open your preferred web browser and enter the Shopify website address in the search bar, or simply click the link if you have it readily available. Once the site loads, log into your Shopify account with your credentials if you haven't done so already. Accessing your account is the first step to getting into the nitty-gritty of your shop settings. Now that you're in, look for the Settings option. This is usually found at the bottom left of your Shopify dashboard. Clicking on Settings will present you with various options to configure your store. Here, you'll want to direct your attention to the Payments section. This is where you manage all things related to payments. In the Payment settings, you'll come across multiple options for setting up or adjusting payment gateways. Pay special attention to the section labeled Manual Payment Methods. This is crucial for those offering cash on delivery or other manual payment alternatives. If you have activated a cash on delivery option and you're considering disabling it, here's how you proceed. Simply find the option labeled Cash on Delivery or any similar manual payment method you might be using and click on the Edit button next to it. This will open up a new window where you can make changes. From there, click on Deactivate Cash on Delivery. This action will remove the cash on delivery option from your checkout, streamlining the payment process for your customers. Once you've deactivated the cash on delivery option, you're practically done. It's a straightforward change, but one that can significantly impact how you manage transactions in your store. If you want to confirm the deactivation, you can go through a quick checkout process as a test to ensure everything is functioning as expected. Ensuring that your payment methods reflect the desired setup is key for seamless transactions and customer experience. And that's it. You've successfully navigated to Shopify, accessed the necessary settings, and managed your payment methods by deactivating cash on delivery where needed. Regularly reviewing and adjusting your settings is advisable, especially as your business and customer needs evolve. Thank you for following along with this instructional guide. If you found this video helpful, remember to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks on optimizing your Shopify store. Until next time, happy selling!